I drink while this is on?
Wait, can I eat while this is on? Can I have coffee while this is on?
Is this supposed to feel this hot?
I want to get rid of this. Can I wrap my arms? Wait, can you wrap my belly? Wait, can you wrap my chin? How about my legs? What about this? Can you just put a wrap on my whole body?
I feel like I'm bloated right now. I think I have to poop. Can I poop while this is on? Is this supposed to make me feel this cold?
Can I wrap while I'm breastfeeding?
I used to be a size 2, but then I had my daughter 14 years ago, and I just can't get rid of this excess baby weight.
I've only lost 3 inches and I've just been sitting here.
Can I eat this burger while this is on?
I have to drink how much water?
I'm just gonna wear this saran wrap all day because it makes me feel wicked skinny. Do people do that? Can I work out while this is on? Sleep while this is on?